Hi, first grade. This week we're going to be making a 4-leaf clover, and it will be designed like the artist Romero Britto. So he takes an object like a teddy bear or a puppy or a kitty, and he divides them up and puts designs all over them and in the background too. So if you want to look up some of his work, you can. It's Romero Britto. Okay, so I want to show you two that I finished. So here's one. There's the stem, and then there are the leaves. And this one I just used green, blue, and yellow for. And then here's another one. Here's the stem. And on this one I used purple, pinks, and greens. So if it looks blue, it's actually purple. Alright, so to get started, you need a square piece of paper. So the paper I'm using is 8 inches by 8 inches. Alright, we're going to start in the center, and we're going to trace a circle. So I'm actually just using my glue stick, and I want to get it into the center the best I can, into the middle. And when I think it's in the middle, I'm just going to trace around it to give me the circle. Okay, so I'm going to switch to Sharpie because I think you can see it better. So I'm going to trace my circle. And you can use a black marker also. You might want to do pencil first and then trace over it. Alright, so next I'm going to make a line kind of like a clock. So this will be 12 o'clock, this will be 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. And I want to make sure that I make my leaves so the center part of the leaf is at that line. Now, these leaves are going to look kind of like hearts that are missing the bottom point. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to come around and down. Then I'm going to go up a little further and come down and around. So it's not the same height on the leaf. Alright, so that was 12 o'clock. So now I want to flip my paper over to 6 o'clock. So I'm going to turn it upside down, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come around and down, and then up a little higher and around. Alright, I'm going to turn my paper again. Now this time I'm not going all the way to the circle. I'm going to actually end on these lines. Going down and around. Now because we're drawing this freehand, our leaves are probably not going to be exactly the same size. So these two look close. This one's big. And then I'll do the last one. Down and around. Alright, so next we need to do the stem. So I'm going to turn my paper so it is like a diamond. And I'm going to go in between two of the leaves. And it's going to be real skinny at the top, but get bigger at the bottom. And draw 2 lines down. Now, you can leave it like this, or if you want more sections, you could divide your leaves with a curved line. So then instead of 4 sections, you'd have 8 sections. I'm just going to leave mine 4 sections. And now I want to put some things in the background. So I'm going to start over here and I'm going to do an arch in the corner. And then I'm going to put a straight line to the leaf. And all this is doing is giving us different sections in the background. So I'll put a line there. And I'll put a line there. Over here I'm going to do a box. Let's see, over here, maybe another curve. Okay, so now I have, here's a section, here's a section, here's a section, here, 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 here. So lots of different sections to put designs in. Okay, so now I want to start adding designs. So you can do flowers, hearts, zigzags, diagonal lines, straight lines, diamonds. So in my arches, I'm just going to keep doing those curved lines. I'm going to let my stem plane. Over here, I'm going to do just teeny tiny polka dots. In this section, I'm going to just make some curly cues. Over here, I'm going to do some circles. In the box, I'm going to do straight lines. Over here, I'm going to do some spirals. I think I'm going to leave this section right here blank. You can do that if you want to, leave a couple of sections blank. This one I'm going to do just little triangles. Kind of remind me of chocolate chips. Okay. I think I'll leave this section blank. And over here, I'll do some diagonal lines. All right, now in my clover, in my leaves, I'm going to do some flowers. And I'll do some hearts. some diamonds. And some zigzags, stripes. Okay, so now I have it all designed the way I want it, and the only thing left to do is color it. I would use green and maybe 3 other colors. I wouldn't use all the colors, but it's your clover, so you can do it how you like. So again, here's the pink and purple. And here's the blues and yellows. All right, have a fun time making your clover. Hang it up for St. Patrick's Day. Have a great week. See you next time.